motion, safety, technology, quality, and innovation. At Fras Le, these attributes work hand in hand, with the certainty that it is by pursuing excellence in its products and services that it ensures the integrity of its personal and the integrity of life. The history of Fras Le is filled with daring, resilience, and success. All this results in Fras Le being a global company and one of the largest friction materials manufacturers in the world. It is by controlling logistics on highways, railways, and runways that Fras Le ensures safety in its production and in the work of its people. Headquartered in Caxias do Sul, Brazil, Fras Le is a Randon company, and this says it all. Randon companies are benchmarks for the automotive sector and are leading companies in their respective segments. Present in the international market for over 40 years, Fras Le has commercial operations in Chile, Mexico, and South Africa, plus warehouses in Germany and in the United Arab Emirates. In Argentina, in addition to an assembly line of automotive systems, the company sells products under the brands Fras Le, Controil, other Randon companies, and other non-competing manufacturers. It also has modern industrial plants in Brazil, the United States, and China. The company provides global support to its distribution network, through which Fras Le products are made available to over 100 countries, not only respecting their culture, but also creating ties with communities across the world. That is Fras Le, exporting values and importing culture and knowledge. Market leader in the aftermarket, Fras Le has a strong presence with distributors and retailers all over the Brazilian territory, monitored by a staff of professionals trained to provide the best technical commercial service. The company also has presence within the major automakers. Service to this demanding market is carried out through Fras Le's state-of-the-art facility for research and development. In the Fras Le plants located in Brazil, the United States, and China, Fras Le is strongly committed to offering the best to its customers. Its production exceeds 80,000 tons of friction materials annually. The world's largest manufacturer of brake linings for commercial vehicles, Fras Le has created and implemented its own production system, the Fras Le Production System. This product system promotes continuous improvement in all of its processes. Fras Le has the main international quality certifications. The result of this is a constant pursuit of quality and productivity. This certification is instrumental in meeting the strictest requirements for their entire automotive sector. Fras Le ensures competitiveness through a broad line of products that comprises more than 10,000 part numbers and friction materials of Fras Le and Lonaflex brands. These product lines include brake linings and pads for heavy-duty vehicles, brake linings and pads for light and medium-duty vehicles, brake linings and shoes for trains and subways, brake linings and shoes for motorcycles, clutch facings and brake linings for aircraft brakes, products for industrial applications such as woven and molded linings, in addition to universal sheets. Fras Le offers, under the Controil brand, solutions in polymers and components for brakes and clutches. Knowledge makes the difference. Ensuring the quality and performance of friction materials is ensuring safety and preserving life. Fras Le believes that technological innovation is fostered in environments that support its development. This is one of the main competitive edges that allows Fras Le its position across the world. Fras Le sets aside part of its revenue for its research and development center, considered being one of the most modern and well-equipped centers in the world. Its main principle being the use of advanced technology to develop, innovate, and test products. The chemical lab pursues and develops raw materials, resulting in new formulations for its friction materials. The pilot lab produces prototypes and tests improvements to existing processes, perfecting them and creating new concepts. The physical lab completes the entire development process by testing, assessing, and ensuring product effectiveness by simulating actual condition usage at its proving ground. Fras Le's pursuit of quality also extends to the ecosystem, clean technology, sustainability. Fras Le follows a policy of respect for the environment by developing projects and programs that seek to improve the production process, minimizing the impact on nature. People, our main asset. A working environment where people feel respected, valued, and recognized is crucial for the success of a company. Fras Le proves these values by actions focused on the well-being, health, education, development, safety, and quality of life of its employees. For years, Fras Le has been recognized as one of the best companies to work for in Brazil. Fras Le also stands out for the qualification of its leaders, who are prepared to face global challenges. Their training comes from management development programs that turns them into nationally and internationally known leaders. Fras Le believes that the growth of the human being is fundamental for its development. This is the reason why Fras Le invests in future generations. Through its programs Florescer and Qualificar, Fras Le prepares children and young people to fully exercise their citizenship by offering free of charge educational, cultural, sporting, and professional activities, proving that investing in education provides a better future.
A Fras Le foi a empresa que me abraçou, me deu as oportunidades que eu precisei para me desenvolver profissionalmente. Aqui dentro eu construí a minha carreira e aqui dentro eu pretendo desenvolvê-la.
我们的团队越来越强大，我相信我们会越来越好的。
We are blessed to have Fras Le in our area, and it's a blessing to be able to work for Fras Le.
That's Fras Le, a history of success, always committed to quality, safety, and the life of its people. It is a company that speaks the language of the world and creates value for its shareholders, employees, customers, suppliers, and their communities. Fras Le, ensuring integrity of life through safety and motion control.